I'm Nageswara from Telangana Power Generation Corporation. I came here for attending IT and IoT and IIOT certificate course 1. It is very helpful. I thought just it is a certificate course while coming here, but it's not like that. It is more practical. I didn't expect this. There will be only theory session going on, only PPT session going on. Some boss will call us. I will go there. We will participate in some other works. Meanwhile, some other network issues or server issues we face those. So we spend very less time there. I am while attending these meetings. Just only this is like a one-way meeting, that is. But no, this is not like that. It is very practical. We spent qualitative time and had very quality discussion and very good knowledgeable session. So I am very happy for this.